In this section, we are going to learn to use must and have or have got to. We use must for rules, policies and procedures. For a positive sentence, we use must and the verb. For example, firemen must be in shape at all times. This is a rule. Firemen have to be in shape. They must be. It's very formal. The negative structure, we use must plus not plus the verb. For example, they must not let their team down. This is again another rule. It's very formal, something they mustn't do. We also use must when we are drawing conclusions about something that's happening now. And the structure for this, for a positive sentence, is must plus be plus the verb, and we add ing to the verb because it's happening now. For example, she must be exercising quite often. She is getting in shape. What's the conclusion that we've drawn? That she's exercising. She must be exercising. How do we know? Because we can see she's getting in shape. For a negative sentence, the structure would be must plus not plus be plus verb plus the ing again. For example, the business must not be doing well. It is all going pear-shaped. The conclusion we've drawn is the business isn't doing well. How do we know? Because everything is going pear-shaped. It's all going wrong. When we ask questions that expect a negative answer, we use must plus the verb or must plus not plus the verb for negative sentences. This is very formal. Or for more informal use, we would use have got to plus the verb. So for a formal example, must we exercise every day to shape up? For an informal, have we got to exercise every day to shape up? Have we got to does not sound as formal as must. And when we contract to have, for example with I've, they've, she's, he's, we use VE got to plus the verb. For example, I've got to knock my studies into shape. My grades are terrible. We've contracted I have by using an apostrophe VE for I've. Another example, she's got to exercise every day in order to get in shape. Instead of saying she has, we've used she apostrophe S. And that's how we use must and have or have got to in English Voice.